your hand and you backflip, and you press the bottle button, the fish bottle button, and then another item really fast, you can play that item as an ocarina. Which this is also banned. All the bottle stuff is all banned because it breaks the game. Like, imagine being able to use like you didn't find an ocarina in your run, but you can use ocarina. It's really messed up. Okay, here, I wonder if I could do this one. I'm not using the ocarina. I'm gonna try to show you guys Reverse Wasteland, although I probably won't remember how to do it. Conventional way would have been slightly faster than save warp. I think it probably would have been pretty close to par because I got the basement skip on the first try. If I didn't get the basement skip, it would have definitely been slower. This is what addiction looks like. It's my addiction at the moment, yeah. I won't deny that. Oh wait, there's a check in the forest I can get. Wait, I'll just go here. Whatever. Whee! Hello, Madman on Fire. This guy. He gave... That's a very Skull Kid thing to do, isn't it? Wow, cool song! Now we're friends! Here's a nut! I found it on the forest floor. Okay, thanks. It must be weird to do a race with so much randomness. Well, the way that people race this game is that both players use the same seed. I think. Okay. Wow, it's nothing! Okay, is that better? Late to the lobster roll discussion, but despite living in New England all your life, you've never eaten lobster. Really? I mean, it is super overpriced. It's definitely like a luxury food. I can't say I've eaten lobster many times in my life, which is why I was even more excited about the lobster roll. I was like, okay, if I'm gonna have a lobster roll, I gotta have it, like, I'm in Boston, I gotta have a lobster roll, right? My disappointment was immeasurable, and my day was ruined. There's a rupee in here, right? No. Nothing! Okay. Is it worth going to the Temple of Time to see the hints for the... no. Go eat a lobster roll. I'm sure I'm... What's this gonna be? Hello, Dude Abides. Okay, I gotta remember to back walk out. Long time no see. Hello, hello. Yeah, I haven't been streaming too often lately. That's on me. I forgot to backwalk. Okay, now I want to try the Gerudo Valley thing you said. Thought I've been missing them? No. No, I haven't been streaming very much. I'm slowly getting back into it. Getting back on the saddle. Back into the saddle. How's the saying go? Oh wait, when did I get 11 bonjus?